with the interesting topic. We are on vitamins. So today we start with vitamin. So now we will see vitamin A. In this lecture we will also see examples of case based study related to vitamin A and also NEET PG questions. So start with vitamin A. So now we see the structure of vitamin A. Vitamin A structure is ring structure which is present in vitamin A. It is known as beta adenine ring. In vitamin A, one ring is present, whereas this beta carotene, which is the provitamin of vitamin A, that contains two beta adenine ring, and these vitamin A is cleaved in intestine by deoxygenase. And now we come to retinoids and carotenoids. So retinoids are all compounds which are related to retinol. They are known as retinoids. Retinal, it is 11-cis retinal, that is very essential for normal vision. Retinoic acid, that is very important for normal morphogenesis, growth and cell differentiation. Retinol, it plays important role in reproduction. Vitamin A is Vitamin A is the strictest sense refers to retinol. They are provitamins of vitamin A present in the plants. What? The carotenoids. They are provitamins of vitamin A present in plants. They are more than 600 carotenoids in nature. Approximately 50 of them can be metabolized into vitamin A. Beta carotene is the most prevalent carotenoid in the food supply that has provitamin A. Now we come to vitamin A metabolism. Absorption and transport. Beta carotene from plant sources. It is absorbed and broken into two molecules of retinol by beta carotene. Deoxygenase retinal. It is reduced to retinol in presence of retinol reductase enzyme. Retinol ester from animal source is hydrolyzed in the intestine lumen to retinol and absorbed into intestinal cells. Retinol from animal and plant source is re-esterified. It is again esterified to form retinol ester and is transported in chylomicron to liver. Uptake takes place in liver cells by means of ApoE receptors. So ApoE receptors are essential to uptake this vitamin A in liver cells. Then we come to the storage. So it is stored in liver in perisinusoidal stellate cells as retinal ester. These are known as retinol palmitate. Transport of vitamin A from liver to target organs. It is carried to target sites in the plasma as trimolecular complex bound to retinol binding proteins and transthyretin. Now we see here vitamin A, what is its role in eye. See this beta carotene, that is provitamin A. It is in small intestine, it is converted into retinol. This retinol is esterified and stored in liver. When we need this retinol bound to protein and it enters the retinal targeted cells where this retinol in rods is oxidized to form retinal. It is complex with opsin to form rhodopsin, and this rhodopsin is the photopigment which is essential for vision and which allows dim light vision. In this way, this vitamin A, it plays an important role in vision. So you can simply see the conversion of retinol into retinal, and it complex with rhodopsin. This rhodopsin is present in the eye, in retina. These are the photopigmented cells. This photopigment is rhodopsin is very essential, which allows to see the vision. Functions now. Functions of vitamin A, the most important function is vision. Visual process involves three forms of vitamin A with containing pigments. Rhodopsin is the most light sensitive pigment present in rods. It is formed by covalent association between 11 cis retinal. You see here it is 11 cis retinal and 7 transmembrane rod proteins called opsin. 3 iodopsin, each responsible to specific color of cones in bright lines. So different rhodopsins are responsible for specific color in cones. Regulation, number 2 function of vitamin A is it regulates gene expression and differentiation. So retinoic acid is involved in this function. It is biologically important. Retinoic acid are all trans retinoic acid and 9 cis retinoic acid. They act as steroid hormones and they bind as nuclear receptors. Then the third function is in normal reproduction. So retinol is necessary for this function. Then next is it maintains normal epithelium of skin and mucosa. Antioxidant properties and photoprotective property is attributed by beta carotene. It resists to infection. So these are the important functions of vitamin A. Then deficiency manifestations. Vitamin deficiency is most common and it causes preventable blindness. So in eyes, vision is lost if there is deficiency of vitamin A. It is the most characteristic and specific sign of vitamin A deficiency are eye lesions. Most loss of photosensitivity to green light is the earliest symptoms. As early symptom is delayed adaptation to the dark. Then later night blindness or impairment in adaptation to dim light or nyctalpia due to the absence of retinal in the visual pigment rhodopsin. In rhodopsin this retinal gets deficient, that is vitamin A, and vision is lost. It can cause dryness of conjunctiva, that is known as conjunctival xerosis. This conjunctiva keratinization develops, that is known as Bitot spot. Cornea keratinizes and becomes opaque, that is known as corneal xerosis. Later it degenerates and irreversibly, that is known as keratomalacia, which is ultimately resulting to the blindness. All the ocular manifestations are collectively called as xerophthalmia. Now the second deficiency manifestations in skin and mucosa. Epithelia, metaplasia and keratinization, hyperplasia and hyperkeratinization of the epidermis with plugging of ducts of adrenal gland produces follicular hyperkeratosis or papular dermatosis. This is called as phynoderma or toad skin. Squamous metaphasia in the mucus secreting epithelium of upper respiratory tract and it causes loss of taste sensation. Then hypervitaminosis A, common in Arctic explorers who eat polar bear liver. Organelle damaged in hypervitaminosis is lysosome. Acute toxicity, it is pseudo tumor cerebri, that is headache, dizziness, vomiting, sputter and blurred vision. Symptoms that may be confused with a brain tumor. And exfoliative dermatitis in the liver, hepatomegaly and hyperlipidemia. Chronic toxicity, it is if intake of more than 50,000 IU per day for 3 months. It causes weight loss, anorexia, nausea, vomiting, bony exotosis, bone and joint pain, decreased cognition, hepatomegaly, progresses to cirrhosis. Retinoic acid stimulates osteoclast production and activity, leading to increased bone reabsorption and high risk of fractures, especially hip fractures. In pregnancy, retinoids causes teratogenic effects. Carotenemia, it is persistent excessive consumption of food rich in carotenoids. Causes yellow staining of skin but not sclera. It is unlike hyperbilirubinemia, which stain both skin and sclera. Vitamin A in food is expressed as micrograms of retinol equivalent 6 microgram of beta carotene, that is equal to 1 microgram of performed retinol. Pure vitamin A for pharmaceutical assays is expressed in international units. 1 international unit is equal to 0.3 microgram of retinol. 1 microgram of retinol is equal to 3.33 international unit. These are units of vitamin A. Now we come to the sources. So animal source, which is mainly retinol, and plant source, it is provitamin A, that is carotenoids. Animal sources, it is fish liver oil or rich sources of vitamin A. Halibut liver oil is the richest source, followed by cod liver oil. Other animal sources are liver, eggs, butter, cheese, whole milk, fish and meat. Plant sources are richest plant source is the carrot and others like GLV, like green leafy vegetables like spinach, amaranth, and yellow fruits like papaya, mango, pumpkin, etc. Then treatment, prevention and assay. Treatment of vitamin A deficiency, it is 200,000 IU, that is 110 milligram of retinol palmitate orally in 2 successive days. Prevention of vitamin A deficiency, it is single massive dose with 200,000 international units to children, that is 1 to 6 year, once in 6 months. And single massive dose, it is 100,000 IU to children 6 to 1 year, once in 6 months. And vitamin A assay, it is dark adaptation time, serum vitamin A by Carr and Price reaction. Now we come to the case based question. You see, a 14-year boy had a problem of vision at night. However, his vision was quite normal during daytime, except when he entered a dimly lit room. On investigation, his plasma retinol level were found to be low. What is probable diagnosis? So diagnosis and interpretation. Deficiency of vitamin A causes prolonged dark adaptation and time resulting in defective night blindness. The condition is night blindness, which can be cured by the supplement of vitamin A. The condition progresses into dryness of the conjunctiva and cornea, that is known as xerophthalmia, and the development of white patches on the conjunctiva, that is Bitot spot. If left untreated, it leads to ulceration of cornea, that is keratomalacia, which results in the permanent blindness. Now NEET PG questions. This question was in recent question in 2017. Most abundant form of provitamin A, it is alpha carotene, beta carotene, cryptoxanthin or lycopene, and the answer is beta carotene. This question was in AIMS 2006. Vitamin A intoxication causes injury to lysosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum or microtubules, and the answer is lysosome. Now this was in Kerala 2011. All the following have antioxidant action except vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D and selenium, and the answer is vitamin D. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.